Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, managing your money just doesn't seem to work? Maybe you're earning a good income, but your bank account always seems to be running low. Does it feel like you're stuck in a cycle of bad money habits that you just can't break? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving into 5 powerful ways to break bad money habits that are holding you back. We're talking about practical, real-life strategies that will help you take control of your finances and start building healthier financial habits, ones that last. If you're ready to stop letting money stress you out and start making smarter choices, keep watching. 1. Set clear, attainable goals. Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a cycle of financial chaos, even though you're putting in the work? One of the biggest reasons people struggle to break bad money habits is that they lack clear goals. If your financial goals are vague, it's easy to feel like you're moving in circles with no real progress. The first step in changing your financial situation is setting clear, attainable goals. Not only does this give you direction, but it also makes your goals feel more realistic and achievable. Imagine telling yourself, "I need to save more." It's easy to say but hard to follow through on, right? But instead, try breaking it down. I'll save $200 a month. This specific target gives you something to aim for. By setting achievable, short-term milestones, you'll feel more motivated as you reach each one. These smaller, tangible goals prevent the feeling of being overwhelmed, and as you meet each one, you'll experience a sense of accomplishment that propels you forward. Setting clear goals also gives you clarity when life throws curveballs. Whether you're facing unexpected expenses or sudden financial challenges, knowing exactly what you're working toward will help you stay calm and focused. When you take control of your financial destiny with clear goals, you'll set the foundation for long-term success. 2. Create a budget. Have you ever gotten to the end of the month, checked your bank balance, and wondered where it all went? You're not alone. The truth is, most people struggle with managing their finances simply because they don't have a clear idea of where their money is going. That's where creating a budget comes in. A budget is your financial roadmap, giving you full visibility into your income, expenses, and savings. A budget isn't just about limiting your spending, it's about being in control. It helps you make intentional decisions with your money instead of just reacting to your bank balance. Think of your budget as a way to empower yourself. By knowing exactly where your money is going, you can actively decide how to allocate it to the most important areas of your life. Whether you're paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund, your budget will guide your spending in a way that supports your goals. One of the easiest ways to stick to your budget is by using budgeting apps or a spreadsheet. These tools make it easier to track your expenses in real time, and many apps even let you set spending limits in specific categories like dining or entertainment. This method of tracking keeps you accountable and allows you to make adjustments if you're overspending. Creating a budget isn't just a one-time task, it's an ongoing practice that evolves as your financial situation changes. As your income increases or you pay down debt, you can make adjustments to your budget to reflect these changes. The flexibility of budgeting ensures that it remains an effective tool for managing your finances, no matter where you are in your financial journey. 3. Share your financial goals. Why is it so much easier to stick to goals when we share them with others? If you've ever set a personal goal, you probably know that sharing it with someone else increases your chances of success. The same principle applies to your financial goals. Sharing your goals with someone you trust not only holds you accountable but also gives you the support and encouragement you need to stay on track. Accountability is key to breaking bad money habits. When you talk about your goals with a friend, family member, or financial advisor, you're setting yourself up for success. These people can help you track your progress, give you advice when you're stuck, and offer valuable insights when you face financial challenges. It's like having a personal cheerleader on your financial journey, someone who's rooting for your success and ready to help you get back on track if you slip up. But it's not just about having someone to remind you to stay on course. Sharing your financial goals also provides valuable perspective. Often, the people we trust can offer an objective point of view that we might miss. For example, they might notice patterns in your spending that you're unaware of, or they might help you figure out ways to save more efficiently. When you open up about your financial struggles and progress, you make the process less isolating and more collaborative. 4. Set a pre-spending lock. Have you ever bought something on impulse, only to regret it later? We've all been there. The urge to buy something, especially when it's a want and not a need, can be overwhelming. That's why setting a pre-spending lock is such an effective strategy. Instead of acting on the impulse to buy immediately, you give yourself time to think about it, and more often than not, you'll realize you don't really need it. Here's how it works. Before you make any non-essential purchase, give yourself 7 days to think it over. It might sound simple, but this brief waiting period can have a huge impact on your financial decisions. The key here is that time allows the excitement of impulse buying to fade away. More often than not, when you wait, the desire to purchase will subside, and you'll be grateful you gave yourself time to think. By making this waiting period a habit, you'll also notice that you start thinking more intentionally about where your money goes. This helps you align your purchases with your values and long-term financial goals. Instead of buying things on a whim, you'll be spending your money on what truly matters, like saving for the future, paying off debt, or investing in experiences that bring lasting joy. 5. Create a no-tech zone for decisions. In the age of constant distractions, making important financial decisions on your phone or laptop is risky. How often have you found yourself shopping online or making impulsive financial decisions just because your device was within reach? The problem with tech is that it often leads to hasty decisions, especially when shopping online or checking your bank balance while multitasking. That's why creating a no-tech zone is so important. When it comes to making major financial decisions, putting away your phone, tablet, or laptop can make a world of difference. Whether you're deciding on a large purchase or rethinking your financial strategy, removing the tech distractions allows you to focus on the decision at hand. It gives you the mental clarity to assess whether that purchase truly aligns with your goals or if it's just a temporary impulse. Additionally, when you remove your devices, you give yourself the chance to write things down, a powerful way to clarify your thoughts. You can even use this time to reflect on your emotions and motives. Are you spending because you genuinely need something, or is it because you're bored, stressed, or influenced by ads? Writing things down helps you connect with your true intentions and make more thoughtful decisions. By removing the temptation of tech, you also create a space for mindful decision-making. This practice can lead to greater financial discipline, as you'll be making decisions based on your goals, not on a flash of excitement or an emotional trigger. Over time, this habit will help you make smarter financial choices, resulting in fewer regrets and more confidence in your decisions. There you have it, 5 smart ways to break bad money habits and take control of your financial life. These simple, actionable strategies can make a huge difference in how you manage your finances, helping you build better habits that will last. Whether it's setting clear goals, creating a budget, or simply taking a pause before making purchases, the key to success is consistency. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical advice to help you achieve your financial goals. Start today, and you'll be amazed at the progress you make. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Take control of your finances, one decision at a time.